Hello dears, we are studying JEE MCQ and our today's question is a steel bar is fixed at both ends. If the bar is heated, it will develop options given: A. Compressive stress, B. Tensile stress, C. Bending stress and D. None of the above. According to question, a steel bar is fixed at both ends. When bar is heated, then which type of stress develop in the bar? We have to find the correct option for this question. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2013, which is from strength of material. So according to question, this one is bar, that is steel bar, and this bar is fixed from both ends. This one is fixed from both ends and heat is provided in the bar. So according to question, what stress develop in the bar? Now option D given is none of the above. So option D will be correct if option A, B and option C will be wrong. So we will see in option C. Option C given bending stress. What is bending stress? Suppose we take a bar and at one point, or we can take more than one point, we apply the force in the bar at a certain distance. When we apply the force in a bar, then a bending of the bar takes place, and due to bending of the bar, the stress produced in the bar is called bending stress. If the force apply on an object, then force into distance is equals to moment, and bending of the bar, or we can say bending of the object, takes place, and a stress produced is called bending stress. So this is bending stress. Option B is tensile stress. So what is tensile stress? Suppose we take a steel bar and we apply the pull force on both ends, or we can say along longitudinal axis we apply the pull force. Then when we apply the pull force, then we take two sections A and B. Then when we apply the pull force between A and B, elongation takes place and it will be A dash B dash. So elongation of the bar takes place due to tensile force, and a stress generated due to this force is called tensile stress. That is, if the force acting along longitudinal axis is a tensile in nature, then the stress produced is called tensile stress. Option A is given compressive stress. So what is compressive stress? When we take a bar and this one is a section of bar A and B. So when we apply the push force on bar, then section A and section B, it will nearest to each other due to compressive force, and a stress produced this force is called compressive stress. So compressive stress, if the force acting along longitudinal axis are compressive in nature, is called compressive stress. If the force acting along longitudinal axis are compressive in nature, a stress produced is called compressive stress. Now according to question, this bar is heated and this bar is fixed at both ends. So when bar is heated, the bar molecules repel to each other and it try to move randomly, due to which a stress produced on bar and it's try to extend. When bar is heated, then bar molecules repel to each other and try to move randomly, due to which at the both end of the bar a stress produced and bar try to extend, and then to resist the extension of the bar a stress generate at the both fixed end, which is compressive in nature, and a stress generated at the fixed end of the bar, that is try to compress the bar, because the stress generated in the bar at the both fixed end it compressive and it try to compress the bar because it is compressive in nature. So when bar try to extend, the stress generated on the fixed end of the bar it will try to compress the bar, because the stress produced are compressive in nature. So we can say the bar develop compressive stress and then resist the extension of the bar, a stress generated at the both fixed end which is compressed in nature, that is a stress will try to compress the bar, because this stress is compressive stress. So its answer will be option A, compressive stress. A steel bar is fixed at both ends. If the bar is heated, it will develop. Its correct option is answer option A, compressive stress, and option B, C, D will be wrong. So today's question is over. Thanks for watching.